Today, I want to tell you how a boy from a small village with nothing but a burning desire to change his life and become one of the most successful and influential entrepreneur in the country. It is a story of pride, determination, and the unshakable belief that your circumstance does not define your future, but your mindset does. Levi was born into a life where every day was fight for survival. His parents were farmers, toiling from sunrise to sunset just to put food on the table. But even as a child, Levi's mind was far from the field. Under the dim light of a single candle, he devoured every book he could find, dreaming of a world beyond the narrow dirt path of his village. When Levi finished high school, reality hit hard. There was no money for college, and it seemed like his dream were slipping away. But Levis was not ready to give up. He took any job he could find, delivering groceries, fixing bikes, even hauling brakes. Every spare moment he spent learning, soaking up knowledge like sponge, determined to find his way. One day, while delivering goods to a small shop, Levi noticed the chores behind the counter. The owner was drowning in paperwork, struggling to keep the business running. That's when it hit him. What if he could help this shop and others like it and become more efficient? With nothing but an old computer and his self-taught skills, Levy offered the shop owner a solution. The result was staggering. Word spread like wildfire. Small businesses started lining up for Levy's help. With the little money he had saved, Levy's officially launched his own consultancy, operating out of his tiny home. His secret, he was not just offering services, he was transforming lives. As his reputation grew, so did his company. He started developing simple softwares that small businesses could actually afford, and soon he was hiring a team to keep up with demand. Then came the call that changed everything. A major corporation wanted Levy to develop a custom software solution. This was the big leaks. Levy and his team worked around the clock, and the project was a massive success. Overnight, Levy's company was on the map, and big contracts started pouring in. But here is the thing, Levy's never forget where he came from. Even with all his success, Levy did not just sit back and enjoy his wealth. He poured resources into scholarship for kids like him, launched programs to support small businesses in rural areas, and made it his mission to give back because Levy knew that true success is not just about what you achieve, it's about how many lives you touch along the way. Levy's stories is not about just making money, it's about making difference. From a tiny village to the heights of business success, Levy's journey shows up that no dream is too big, no obstacle is too great. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember Levy, a boy turned his dream into reality and used his success to light the way for others.